YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, Always Spending 23, coming at y'all with a quick little video telling y'all how y'all can make y'all some quick little money going into 2021 off the PlayStation 5. This here is a little PS5 method. You basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy you a PS5 and you're gonna resell it. You're gonna buy a PlayStation off a site like Best Buy, Target, Walmart, shit, Amazon, wherever you could get you a PS5 for like around retail price. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna boom. Okay, that's the first step. Boom. Step number 2, you got your PlayStation, you got your PS5 on deck. You're gonna go on StockX, and you're gonna sell your PlayStation on StockX for like $1,000. If you wanna sell that bitch for $1,500, be my guest. Sell it for whatever you wanna sell it for, basically. But sell it for more than you bought it for, so you can make some money. And you're gonna sell them on StockX. You're gonna do what you gotta do to sell it. And basically, like, that's it. You gonna buy you a PS5, it's gonna come, you gonna sell that motherfucker. That's 2 steps. Like, as simple as can be, bro. Like, it's a quick little finesse y'all could be taking advantage of, you feel me? And yeah, free little method, I guess. But it's gonna take about, I don't know if I said this in this video the last video, but it's gonna take, you're gonna need to, you're probably gonna need like $570 to buy your PS5 after tax. If you buy the one that's $499, actually not $570, you're gonna need like $560. You buy the one that's $499, it's gonna come up to about $560. You buy the one that's $399, that hoe probably gonna come up to about $450, it's around there. But yeah, that's basically it. Buy the PS5, resell it on StockX, resell it on eBay, resell it wherever the fuck you wanna resell that motherfucker. And then you're gonna pocket your profits. Go ahead, get you another PS5. Boom, start the process over again. Let's see, you know, instead of pulling in $300, you're gonna be pulling in shit, $400, $500, $600. You can be pulling in money like that. And then with that, you're gonna have the money that you already had. So now you can go and buy you 3 PS5s. Then you gonna turn that shit into, you're gonna make some bread. I'm finna go find me a PS5 to buy online right now so I could resell this up. Might have to make a video of me selling that bitch on StockX or whatever, just so y'all can see that it can be done. But yeah, if y'all want to see that, subscribe to my channel. If you're new, leave your boy a like. Appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see y'all next video. Peace.